This is Tedmos, a 550 lumens RGB ceiling overhead light fixture. Battery operated, easy to set up and hang, remote control driven, and manual 2 buttons, mode and on off. We have an instruction guide in a number of languages and the light fixture in black with an accessory package USB-C, remote control, hardware, and the bracketing. The instruction guide, remote control in RGB color, and the dynamic modes in the on and off 30-minute and 1-hour timer. Please remember to peel the plastic tab of the replaceable 2025-2032 batteries installed. With the right angle USB-C cable, a 1-meter cable plugs into an optional brick or USB power bank and more for unlimited runtime. Located on the back of the unit is the USB-C charging area flush mounted to the ceiling. With the red LED indicator, remote control driven by turning on in 1 Kelvin. We have a fade and a smooth, goes through the number of colors. Hang it up on the wall. Demonstration purposes, hang it above an existing fan cover. Place in a laundry room. Hang up in a closet and lock down. A simple twist and rotation locks into place with the on and off button by a long press. We have a night light, a low battery warning indicator, a PIR sensor 120 degree with 8 to 15 foot or more in distance of triggering. Set a mood in the kids' room or more by choosing the colors of red, green, and blue, cycling through the colors. With the fade and smooth of the RGB colors and fading in and out of the coloring. Setting up the night light and walking away. By hitting the night light button once with the green light, a number of seconds turns off, and motion, the light will turn on as you walk by. These are just some of the colors. Increase, decrease, recycle through the kelvins, the PIR night light, and the changing of the dynamic modes in the 30 and 60-minute timer. The Tedmos light for your lighting needs, bathrooms, showers, RVs, camping, in the closet, anywhere where you need a light, in the kids' room, living room, anywhere in the game room. Enjoy your product if this is what you're looking for. Thank you for viewing.